Adobright Kojo is my name, presenting the database management system. This is the end of my project, where 80% of the database management system have been developed. This software is going to ensure the smooth running of the terminal activities and will capture every piece of information and assist users to operate and also help users to generate accurate and reliable reports, thereby serving as the automation of the terminal's activity. We also have the components which was built in this system. We have the storage engine, the query servers, the query languages, the login accesses, and so on. Looking at the project outline, we have introduction, objective, non-functional requirement, functional requirement, activities, which is export laden gating, export empty gating for staffing, export laden gate out, empty receiving and empty evacuation. We also have the project budget and then the challenges and solutions. We also have definitions and acronyms. Looking at the objective, this software is going to ensure complete automation of the terminal. It's going to prevent manual operation, that's human movements in the terminal. It's going to prevent container loss and enhance productivity. It's going to reduce accidents and enhance safety in the terminal. It's going to provide a clear flow and assist employees to efficiently discharge their duties and responsibilities. Looking at the non-functional requirements, the software is hardened, which is securing the database servers by physical security, network security, and a secure operating systems configuration based on Article 843/2012. Also, it's going to have a minimum storage of 500 gigabytes, and if with time the need arises, it will then be increased to 1 terabyte and so on. The network is going to run with this compatibility if the device has a CPU of 8 core and then a RAM of 8 gigabytes. Also, the device should have 500 gigabytes hard drive and then 1 gigabit network adapter. The software system has been developed in such a way that if wrong input is being fed to the system, it will automatically generate. Looking at the functional requirements, we activate the Angular service by opening the folder in our Visual Studio Code. So after a successful opening, we run the folder in the terminals, then we copy the link to the server. We then paste this link in our browser to activate the software. After the software has been activated, we then input the login access, that's the username and then the password. So after inputting the username and then the password, you then get access to the home side of the software, where the software system will allow users to navigate through the various activities. So you could see the gate in, gate out, reports, gate transactions. Those are the various categories. So here we add container number, then the seal, then also we will be able to update the container informations. So updating the container informations require the container seal, the container number, the driver's ID, the driver's name, and then the shipping line. So the software system will also allow users to view container history, their seals, and their locations. So here you get all the necessary informations about the container, that's the consignee, the shipping line, the type of container, whether 20 feet or 40 feet, where the container is going, and every other necessary information required. The software system will also allow users to generate their reports. So here you can generate your reports in a PDF format, in a Word format, or in an Excel format. Here you can also print out your report. Now looking at the project budget, we have the activity undertaken and then the cost involved in Ghana cedis. So the material and other components cost 15,273. Real estate cost was 3,000 Ghana cedis. Incentives was 1,500 Ghana cedis. Research was 500 Ghana cedis. Copywriting cost was 763.75 Ghana cedis. License cost was 10,050 Ghana cedis. Testing cost was 58,075 Ghana cedis. And the total cost was 89,836 Ghana cedis. So these were the costs involved in carrying out this project. Also, looking at the challenges faced, we had power outages where mini generators were secured. We were having limited resources, so we needed to cut down some costs, and then the time limitation was also a problem, so we were to implement Angular frameworks to speed up the coding process. And then also the maintaining accurate records was a bit difficult, so we updated our records daily. Now let's look at the definitions and acronyms. So you can see some definitions and acronyms here. Thank you for your time.